Hey guys, so today I'm going to be unboxing MLB The Show 15th Anniversary Edition box. I got this yesterday, and I pre-ordered it at GameStop, and so I got 4 days early. Then it's coming out. It comes out like the 17th, which I think is a Tuesday. Well, yeah, Tuesday. So it has Javi. It says Javier Baez, Shark Cubs, El Maga thing on the back. That's like the case and hat. It says 15th anniversary edition, MVP additional steelbook case with full game, new era, and will be the show 15th anniversary. Not for the hat, digital content, mainly it's double daily, steady team, avatar, 1 diamond variety pack, 2 gold choice packs, 20 the show packs, 25,000 stubs, 1 Diamond Dynasty, and will be the show new era 9 hat. So that's what the hat and yeah. So to get this, I think it's only at GameStop. Yeah, I think it's only at GameStop. So because I haven't seen any other store like say, oh, we have this. And so let's get into it. Well, before I do, this costs $100, like $99.99 stuff. But I got it for less than 60 because so mainly I'm a pro mid-mer GameStop and had $5 coupon for takeoff, and I had a whole bunch of trim fare, which got it down to $57. So pretty much mainly I just paid for less than just the normal one. But let's get into it. Hold up, let's see if I could cut up. Let me sit y'all down. Sorry for that. Gotta try to open this somehow. Not trying to hack myself. Okay. So let's see. Alright, so here's what the hat looks like. Let's see, non-faded, not bad. Yeah, so nice. Says show 15th anniversary edition. It's so I'm guessing the bottom line side behind bleachers, other press box. I don't know what field that is. Yeah, something like the national flag. Then let's see. That's what the inside of the box looks like. Now, game on the case. So this is what it looks like. The case. So it's like a steel book, not for resale. But mainly, a lot of people, I see that in a lot of games, and people still sell them. So let's see what it. Let's see. I'm gonna say all down. I'm not trying to cut anything. I'm not trying to cut anything, cut me or something like that. And I don't really have a stand where I could put y'all, if you know what I mean. I have my phone because I don't record on my phone. I don't got anything else to record on. See, ooh. Oh, I think I got it. Okay, I got it. Okay, so here we go. So it's like a obviously it's a sleeve with how we put on the face paint. So yeah, that's sleeve, stuff like that. Then the steelbook. So it's the same field that's on the hat and 15th anniversary, Let's look inside. So, well, here's. It always smells like plastic every time you open a new game, So pretty much like the disc is like still the same from like 19 and all the other ones. So I'm guessing this is my, and that has my code. Yeah, that has my code on it saying and expires in 20. Then got the man bias swinging the bat, you know. So yeah, and I hope y'all enjoyed this video. And if you like unboxing videos, please tell me. I want to know because I don't really know what to do and stuff. And plus, I want to know if like who plays like MLB and stuff like that. So see you on the next one.